Welcome to LushLoom. Your bedroom is your personal comfort space, and the right carpet can completely change how it looks and feels. In this video, we'll show you custom bedroom carpets in Dubai, the latest trends, and how LushLoom helps you create a stylish, cozy bedroom floor. By Custom Bedroom Carpets Dubai. At LushLoom, we offer custom bedroom carpets designed to fit your space perfectly. Choose from custom sizes, premium soft materials, modern, classic, and luxury designs, perfect for master bedrooms, guest rooms, and kids' bedrooms. Why choose LushLoom? Premium carpet quality. Dubai trend-inspired designs. Expert guidance and consultation. Professional installation. Luxury at competitive prices. Dubai's trendy bedroom carpets at LushLoom. Our bedroom carpet collection includes neutral and warm shades, plush carpets for a luxury look, minimal designs for modern interiors, designed to match Dubai's latest interior trends. Pick any carpet to style your bedroom floors. Customize your carpet by choosing texture, color, design, thickness. The right carpet adds comfort, warmth, and elegance to your bedroom. Outro. Upgrade your bedroom with LushLoom bedroom carpets, where quality, comfort, and style come together. Contact us today. Visit our showroom. Book your custom carpet consultation. Like the video, leave a comment, and subscribe to LushLoom for more interior ideas. LushLoom, comfort you can feel. Luxury you can see.